Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix RB there yet error, ride RW there yet has crashed UE ride, or a GPU crash dumb triggered error or fatal error. So if you are getting this error in the game RB there yet, then here follow the fixes to solve this error. The first fix is to modify the game launch option. So open Steam, then go to library and then right click on RB there yet game. This is just an example I am showing with another game, and then select properties. Now in the launch options type -D3 D11 and then launch the game and check. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. If not, then again go to the RB there yet properties. This time type -DX11, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to properties. This time type -DX12 and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If still your problem is not solved, then again go to the RB there yet properties, remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 2 is to select play with DirectX 11. Now go to Steam and then click on the play button of RB there yet game and you will get this type of pop-up. Select play with DirectX 11. This has solved this some startup crashes error, and then click on play button and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to verify the integrity of game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on RB there yet game. This is just an example, then click on properties. Now go to the install files tab, then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 4 is to run RB there yet as an admin. So open Steam, go to library, right click on RB there yet game and then click on manage and then select browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. The path will be C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, ride folder. Now open the ride folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Then right click on ride Win64 shipping exe file and select properties. And then go to the compatibility tab and then check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from here itself from the game installation folder and then check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then again right click on ride Win64 shipping exe file, select properties, go to the compatibility tab and then select run this program in compatibility mode for. From here select Windows 8, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the compatibility tab. From the drop down select Windows 7, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the compatibility tab and this time also select disable full screen optimization option as well. Then hit apply, OK, then launch the game from the game installation folder and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if it's still not working, then again go to the compatibility tab and then untick all these three boxes and then hit apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 6 is to update graphic card driver. So in Windows search for device manager and open it. Expand display adapters, right click on your graphic card driver and then select update driver. Then click on search automatically for drivers. And after this, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then you have to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have AMD graphic card driver, go to the AMD website. If you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, then go to the NVIDIA website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, then go to the Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. So I am showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this website and once you are on this NVIDIA site, select your version of graphic card driver from here and then select Windows operating system and then click on find. Scroll down. You have to download GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click on OK. You will see this screen, click on agree and continue. Then select custom advanced option and then click on next. Then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, restart your PC and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 7 is to delete the saved game files. So open File Explorer, go to C drive, open Users folder, open your username folder, open App Data folder. Now if you don't see App Data folder over here, then click on this view, show and check mark hidden items. Then open app data folder, then open local folder, and after opening local folder, right click on write folder and then copy it and paste it to desktop first to keep the backup, because deleting this folder you will lose all the game progress and you will lose all the saved settings. So first copy the write folder and paste it to desktop, and then right click on write folder and then select delete to delete it. Now launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 8 is to update Windows. So go to the Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates, and if there are any updates available, then download and install them, and then just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. And the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall Are We There Yet game. So if nothing seems to work, then uninstall Are We There Yet game from your PC, restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive and then check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Are We There Yet game error, RIDE RW there yet has crashed, UE RIDE crash error, or GPU crash dump triggered error, or fatal error. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.